Enjoy yourself.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of aromatherapy, a natural way to bring relaxation. Aromatherapy is a holistic healing treatment that uses natural plant extracts, energy, and harmony into your life, or essential oils to improve physical and emotional well-being. These essential oils are typically extracted from flowers, leaves, stems, or roots and have unique scents and therapeutic properties. In aromatherapy, these oils can be inhaled, applied to the skin, often diluted, or used in diffusers to create a calming or invigorating atmosphere. The practice aims to promote relaxation, reduce stress, alleviate pain, improve mood, and even support better sleep. Different oils are known for different benefits. For example, lavender is commonly used for relaxation, while peppermint may help with focus and energy. Aromatherapy is widely used in spa and wellness centers but can also be incorporated easily at home as part of a self-care routine.
Join Healing with Salman to learn about massage techniques in the world. Thank you for watching.